Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, we're gonna make some vegan banana bread. Alright, so it's gonna be vegan banana nut bread. I'm not gonna use any sugar, I'm just gonna use a little bit of honey, and I have lots of sweet stuff here. Okay, I have my dates, and I got this big pack from Amazon. I will leave a link for you. And I'm using about 1/3 cup, and I have about 1/4 cup of sunflower seed, 1/3 cup of walnut, 1/4 cup of cranberry. I have my my little grinder, coffee grinder, but what I did, I grind my flaxseed in it, and I'm gonna put some flaxseed in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna semi grind it up a little bit, right? Everything together. If it's a lot, then you do it in 2 portions, okay? All you have to do, guys, just press it down. Just like that. So you kind of semi chop it a little bit, okay? Something like so. And I'm gonna pour it out here. I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. I'm gonna go in with 1/2 teaspoon salt, so you can see what I'm doing. 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and that's it for the dry ingredients. We're gonna sieve this away, okay? I'm gonna put my 3 bananas. I'm gonna go in with 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna pour that in, and as I said before, I'm not gonna add any sugar. So this is my honey, and I'm gonna go in with a few tablespoons. That's 1, 2. I'm only gonna put 3 tablespoons of honey. You can put 4, guys, but I'm not gonna do with it sweet today. So if you want it well sweet, put 4. But my cranberry and my dates have sugar in it, and the banana is already sweet. And to this bowl, I'm gonna add everything all at once. I have some rose water. I'm gonna put about 1/2 cup of rose water, 1 teaspoon mixed essence, 1 teaspoon almond. I have some coconut milk, and I think I want to go in with about 1/2 cup. You can measure it. Now to make this super delicious, I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of my applesauce. You want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and now we're just gonna mush everything away, okay? No, we're not gonna use no eggs today, okay? And this is what I have so far, guys. I like the pieces of banana chunks. All right, let me taste it, guys. We need 1 cup of this bad boy. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Am I good at my measurement? Oh yes, I am. We're gonna pour that in. Now this is my ground flaxseed, and I'm just gonna put only 2 tablespoons, all right guys, because it easily thick up. Okay, so just 2 tablespoons. This is my chia seed in here. Okay, I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon. Now we're just gonna mix this in. This is what you have. Okay, I'm gonna go in with about 1/4 cup of oats. We're gonna add the flour base now. I'm gonna add it in 2 portions. See guys, you want it thick like this. You don't want it too watery because the banana and all of that in there. So you want it kind of a little bit thick. And this will make a nice size bread. But what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna make some small ones today. All right, these small bread pan are 1, but it's 4. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. Oopsie. And I'm gonna oil the sides. I already cut some grease-proof paper, and I'm just gonna line the bottom. And you can taste it guys. If you want more honey, you can put more, but this is okay for me. I don't want it sweet. Scoop it in this one. There you go. And that's it. Shake, 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 and tap, tap. Now I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and because they're smaller, I'm not gonna bake them for the whole 45 minutes. Maybe I bake them for about half an hour. I think about 30 to 35 minutes. Let's go pull these out. Done. We're gonna check it. It's good. Check one more. And it's good. So we have some guava jam. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take out this, about a teaspoon. Yeah, you don't want more than that guys. Okay, I'm just gonna melt it for like 15 seconds in the microwave. Depends on your microwave, so mine can be melt in 10 seconds. Go ahead and you're just gonna coat the top. You want to do it while it's hot, okay? Because when it's cool, the jam gonna get thick. So you gotta do it when it's hot. You're moving around, so just take your time and take it out. Look at that goodness. And we're gonna set them over here. They're so soft. Also, if you have raisin guys, you can put raisins in it too. Okay, so let's cut this bad boy and see how it looks. It's still warm, but we're gonna cut it. I can't wait. I'd like to eat it warm. Okay, you see how light it is guys? Yes, full of flavor, full of nuts. Oh my goodness. Super delicious. And guys, it's not sweet,